Howdy YouTubers, we are back again with another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And now you can get it with the Prime Day deals going on now. Father's Day sales also going on. We have here, oh baby, now this would be a good one to get. Coming from ORICO, Leaning Technology Docking Station Thunderbolt 4, PD 85 watts, Thunderbolt. Alright, docking station. This has it all. Product TB4, aluminum alloy, expansion port 4. Okay, let's take a look inside. Set this thing up. Like I said, check these other goodies too, see what they have. But if you like this item, make a purchase. Pretty easy peasy. Now, here we go. Hey, look at this power source. It's just as big as the thing. Look at that. We got sure power cord. We got some USB. Yep. We got the manual. So we got the power brick right here. Plug that in. This. Get it rolling. Definitely excited for this one. I think we'll test it out too. But they got everything, so definitely check out them on Amazon for all your computer needs, laptop needs, MacBooks. Give me a second, guys. Just little twisty ties giving me problems. Alright, we got it. Now I gotta extend it. Right there we go. That one, that little guy. Yeah, this is a long cord. See, just plug that in. Once we open this, here's the USB Type C. I think it's Type C. Thunderbolt is one of these guys. And now here it is. Ooh la la. This is nice. Got the headphone jack. ORICO. Right here. HDMI. TF spot. Landline. HDMI. DC. That's where we plug it in. Here's the sides. Power button right there. Super lightweight. Plug her in. I got the non-slip guards. Right there. Right there. Now we plug it in. Plug this into the wall. We are officially plugged in. Power is on. Cord is good. Charge your laptop and your other phone devices, your MacBooks. Then you can run it with your HDMI on the screen. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go with the ORICO Thunderbolt 4. We got it hooked up right now with my Chromebook to the monitor. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. But everything is on. You can see the mouse move. So we got it hooked up through that. I also got my mouse charging through the ORICO. I mean, this thing has it all. You can do a lot of things with this, either for the iOS or the Chrome, the Windows. Oops, that's power off, power on. Take a second to load up. There we go. So you have your landline installed in, some SIM cards, PDFs, pretty much everything. USB, keyboards extra. You could do, you name it. You could do it all with this thing. There we go. Power's on. Give it a second to load. Here we go. It's going to adjust to fit the screen. And I got to turn this on. There we go. And we got it. And like I said, you could charge anything. Fast charge. I got this completely dead. Just plug it in here. There we go. Look at that. 2 seconds. So this is all in one. You could, like I said, iOS, Apple products, Windows, you name it. This is a good one to get, guys. And then check out their Prime Day deals going on now. Father's Day deals going on. Pretty much every deal going on right now. So if you're in the market for a new docking station, Thunderbolt 4 is the one to get. And the only one to get. So especially with the deals they got going on, you'll be very happy with this purchase. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Be safe and see you soon.